Hello everyone, welcome to ExamDost my dear friends, and I'm back again with a very informative video for all of you. In this video, I'll be talking about the score that is required in the GATE exam for top IITs, IISCs and PSUs. So this is the real data that I'm sharing with you guys, and this will help you align your aim for GATE 2026. After watching this video, you can decide how many marks you need to obtain and what should be your strategy going forward in order to get a top IIT, IISc or a PSU. So without wasting any time, let me get started. But before I start, make sure that you hit that like button. If you are coming to the channel for the first time, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Chali. So first, let me talk about IISc Bangalore. Okay. So if you see beta, for aerospace engineering, the first cutoff for AE engineers was 785. For electrical EC, it was 733 and 756. Okay. And the highest was 788 and 775 for unreserved. So this is basically your gate score out of 1000. For OBC non-creamy layer, it was for EC 650. For electrical, it is not there. For SC ST 476 up to 685. ST 499 up to 499. For AI beta, AI general cutoff is not available. For bioengineering, might not be interested. In electrical, if you see, you can get electrical department for a score as low as 634. Now this 634 cutoff is after multiple rounds of admission. For electronic product design, the minimum cutoff is 634, maximum 854. For electrical, 724. For IN, 775. So you can see, beta, you have a good chance of getting electrical or electronic product design at a low gate score, or I would say moderate gate score, not low, moderate. For electronic system, beta, even for electronic system, the cutoff is within 750 gate score. For OBC, this comes down to 620 for EC. For electrical, it remains almost the same for OBC as general. For SC, ST beta, it will come out to be 300, 400, somewhere between them. But electronic system is a very popular branch. Even for SC, ST, it will be above 550. Now, electronics and communication, it is a deemed after department, that is people are running after this. So the cutoff is little higher. Instrumentation, mainly IN engineers will opt for it. But for this, you need more than 700 gate score in unreserved, above 500 or 600 in OBC. And for SC, ST, around 400 if your gate score is, it is fine. Now, for microelectronics and VLSI, the most popular branch, the cutoff is above 800 or 850 for all the three branches. For IN, it is extremely high, 960. So, if you are looking after microelectronics and VLSI, then your rank in the GATE exam for IISc should be within 200. Okay, then only you can get this much of GATE score. Now, robotics and autonomous system, the gate score required will be above 700 for aerospace and biomedical. For EC, the unreserved data is not available and electrical did not take an admission. For semiconductor technology related to VLSI, if you see again, the cutoffs are very high. But with IN, you can get this at lower gate score. So that is why beta giving IN paper is so important. Why? Because even at low score, you can get a branch as good as semiconductor technology. And here for microelectronics, IN cutoff is the highest. So if you get a decent score in IN, you can actually run after semiconductor in IASC. For signal processing, beta, your gate score should be above 850 in general, above 750 in OBC, and above 700 in SC. So this is also one of the good branches of electrical and DC. Smart manufacturing, not many people are running after it. So the cutoff is around 500 gate score. When I talk about IIT Madras beta, In IIT Madras, we have to go after this electrical. Okay, we have to go after this electrical. If you see the cutoff when for electrical paper is 657, for EC paper it is 881. So IIT Madras electrical people can get admission at a low gate score. Okay, for this branch beta, now this is, they have mentioned the codes only. So 829. This branch is 6Y. This will be microelectronics because the cutoff is very, very high. So what you can understand from this data for IIT Madras, if your gate score is above 600, you can get a admission. Now in IIT Kharagpur beta, in EC department, if you see, the cutoff for general ranges from as low as 460 to 750. So basically, if you are getting a score above 700, you can comfortably get admission in IIT Kharagpur electronics department. For IIT Kanpur, if you go for SPCOM signal processing, the cutoff is high. Power electronics, you need above 700. Okay, then RF engineering 767, CA 801, and for microelectronics and VLSI, the cutoff is very, very high. So if you want to make a career in semiconductors, if you want to do MTech from VLSI, you should be under 200 rank, as I told beta, then only you can get such a great course. In IIT Roorkee beta, they have mentioned the marks which is more relevant to us. So let me see. See, for drives and power electronics, only 58 marks were required in 28-24. For power system, 52 marks. For control system, 53. For communication, 59. RF microwave, 51. But for VLSI, 71 marks were required. For computer science, rest of the departments are not useful. Okay. Even these are not very relevant. Now, if I come to the PSUs beta, for power grid gate 2025, the unreserved cutoff marks was just 51 marks. So if you are covering more than 50 marks in gate exam, then you can get a call from such a great PSU. So that is why beta, when I talk about electrical and EC disciplines, even at low score, the opportunities are more because these are highly competitive branches. The level of the exam is good. So generally these papers are low scoring only. And if somebody has filled IN as a second paper, try to score above 70 marks in IN and you will see a plethora, that is a bulk of opportunities open up for you, especially in IITs and ISC. So your target in IN should be above 70 marks. In electrical EC, if your preparation is not great, then hope that the exam level is good and try to score above 50 marks in that exam. आप ये उम्मीद करिए कि एग्जाम अच्छा बने और आपको बस 50 नंबर 55 नंबर लेके आने हैं, आप बहुत अच्छा कर लोगे इलेक्ट्रिकल ईसी में. और वहीं अगर पेपर थोड़ा इजी बनता है, देन ट्राई टू क्रॉस 60-65 स्कोर टू बी सेफ. At least you will get certain good opportunity either in MTech or in PSU. For GATE 2024, see the cutoff was even less at 45 marks, 50 marks. For NTPC GATE 24, okay, these are the ranks, even till 1000 rank they were calling. 1000 rank तक भी बेटा बच्चों को बुलाया गया है. NTPC releases multiple list. Now, for CIL, Coal India, if you see the cutoff marks for GATE 2024 score was just 661. That is, for above 660 score, you will get a call for GD and PI. For NPCIL beta, GATE score will be, okay, 600 approximately. So these PSUs can give you a job if your GATE score is above 600 and you will be safe enough if your score is above 700. So above 700 GATE score is a decent score beta when I talk about the MTech admission or even for a call from PSU for GD and PI. But as I told, your focus should be on marks. For IN, try to get above 70. For electrical EC, minimum you should cross 50 marks. And above 50, if you cross 60, great. If you cross 70, definitely you will be in the top rankers. Okay. So now this is for 2025, this is for 2024. Again, you see in the range of 600 only. For airport authority, the cutoff for electrical was 760, which is on a higher side. But for electronics, it was just 643. For civil and IT, it was higher. BARC beta. For BARC also, the cutoff score is above 700. So above 700, as I told beta, you are in great position to get a call from PSU or a research organization such as BARC. For ISRO, if you see, the cutoff for EC was 721. Again, you see a pattern here, beta. 700 gate score. Now, if you want me to discuss, beta, I can discuss the mapping of marks versus the gate score for GATE 2025 so that you better understand. But overall, I have given you an idea. Try to cross 70 marks in IN, 50 marks in electrical EC if the paper level is good. If paper level is average, cross 60 marks and you will be safe. तो ये आप लोगों के लिए safe score होने वाला है. बाकी if you want me to discuss the mapping of the gate score and the gate marks, because we can't directly calculate, we have to see the data. If you want me to do that, I will try to plan a session, but you have to let me know in the comment section that yes sir, please let us know the mapping of the marks versus the score so that we can plan. ठीक है. और बहुत ही जल्द बेटा आप लोगों के लिए मैं लास्ट 70 डेज या 60 डेज स्ट्रैटेजी लेकर के आऊंगा, जिसमें मैं फिर से आपको पूरा फुल फ्लेजेडली बताऊंगा कि कैसे आपको प्लानिंग करना है, और वो सेशन भी आप लोगों के लिए जल्दी कंडक्ट करेंगे. बाकी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट व्हाट अदर स्ट्रैटेजी सेशंस यू वांट फ्रॉम माय साइड और व्हाट अदर इनिशिएटिव्स यू नीड फ्रॉम माय साइड सो दैट आई कैन प्लान such kind of initiatives. Other than that, beta, we have released the mock test series that you demanded. We are releasing 10 mock tests, okay, at just 150 plus GST. 15 रुपए का आपको एक टेस्ट पड़ेगा, 15 rupees. Go and purchase using the code Ankit ESE. For ECE also same price, 10 mock test at 150 plus GST. We are also conducting beta 3 all India mock tests which are open for everybody. 7th of December, 14th of December, 21st of December. 3 mock टेस्ट हम आपके लिए करा रहे हैं, ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. नेक्स्ट बेटा, EMFT इलेक्ट्रिकल क्रैश कोर्स वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4th of December आफ्टर पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज कंप्लीटेड. SSC JEE CBT 1 free mock test series is available on the app. You can go and attempt. And we have released the new recorded courses for GATE 2027. Here you are getting 2 versions of the courses, bilingual, और दूसरा वर्जन आपको हिंदी में मिल रहा है. So you get bilingual as well as Hindi courses. Okay. So here right now you are getting 30% off till 30th of November using the code EB30. तो बेटा सभी सब्जेक्ट में आपको दोनों तरह के सेशन मिल रहे हैं, बाइलिंगुअल और हिंदी सेशन. आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कौन सा कोर्स देखना है. एंड इफ यू ज्वाइन नाउ यू कैन वॉच डिजिटल, analog, EMFT, okay, aptitude, all these subjects you can attend live. Next beta, for GATE and ESE, the extra syllabus of ESE is in Hindi, but for common subject you get 2 version, bilingual and Hindi. For EC, core subject is in Hindi, for rest of the subject 2 version, bilingual and Hindi. Okay. And for our live plus recorded batches for GATE 26, which are valid till 31st of March. That is, you get 4 months of access at 70% off using the code YT70. Okay, for electrical EC IN. For RIB also you are getting 70% off. You will get the access till 31st of March. That is for 4 months. Use the code YT70. Okay, for AJE beta, we are providing 40% off plus extra 3 months using the code YT40. And for AJE aspirants, I will be starting the live courses in the month of January. For test series, for full test series, if you want 70% off using the code Ankit ESE, or you can purchase the mock test only. So mock test at 150 plus GST, full test series at 360 plus GST. And then you can also check out the book section on our website and purchase any book that you need in your preparation. So thank you everyone. See you all in the next video. Make sure that you leave your comment with the suggestion of what next session should be about. Thank you everybody.